Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen, and judging by the title, you either had this before or maybe it's a weird combination and you want to see what the deal is. Anyways, this is something that I actually grew up with. Lately, I've been able to put more of a healthy spin on it, and I'm going to show you guys how to go through it. Aside from it being a healthier option, it's actually really simple to put together. There's only going to be 4 ingredients involved, and the great thing is they're not hard to find. I live in Texas. H-E-B is our grocery store of choice. These can all be found there. You don't need to go to a central market or a huge H-E-B. You'll find these there. I'm going to show these 4 ingredients to you right now. First ingredient, real egg, original Hill Country Fare. Second will be your fat-free shredded cheese. Second is your choice of either the whole wheat or the flour carb-cinch H-E-B tortillas. Great source of fiber. And the last one, that only one that's kind of a little expensive, is the Hebrew National 97% fat-free beef franks. They're going to be about $3 something. I'll go ahead and put the prices up for all of these on the screen right now and all the nutritional information. The last thing that you will need is a measuring cup. Measuring is ridiculously important, and a kitchen scale. If you don't have one, I cannot stress how important these are. I bought this one off of Amazon for like $13 about 2 years ago. I use it literally every single day to measure everything, and it makes tracking so easy. First up, the weenies. And use H-E-B paper plates too. I highly recommend them. And to cut weenies, everyone knows you use a butter knife or the plastic one from H-E-B as well. Another crucial ingredient, and unless you have a great frying pan, you might need some Pam. The great thing about Pam is it's 0 calories, right? It actually isn't. If you look at the serving size, it's only 1/4 of a second. Nutrition labels can actually lie. They can round down from 5 calories. Serving size, 1/4 second. Well, let's stick with that. This is how much you use. And that's it. Weenies in the pan. 56 grams of cheese and 1 cup of eggs. Add the eggs. I like to add the cheese in right as I'm cooking it. You can wait till the very end if you want and just put it on the taco as you go, but I just like it right on in there. Now you might be thinking at this point about seasonings. If you want to put salt and pepper in there, that's entirely up to you. I actually don't, because the weenies already have a pretty good amount of sodium as a preservative, and sodium is usually going to be that one thing when people think about food being bland, they want to add salt. That's already going to add a good amount of sodium, so whenever I make this, I don't feel the need to add any extra seasoning. But that's just me. If you want to go ahead and add some salt and pepper, go for it. That's about done. Now we go to plating it with our carbs and tortillas. I use 3. They make about 3 big tacos, so let's see how they come out. As you can see, it makes 3 pretty big tacos. Use my hand for comparison, or the tortillas right there next to it. The tortillas, you can go ahead and put them on a comal if you want. I sometimes just eat them right out of the bag and plate them up. They're fine with me like that. But these are 3 really big tacos. These will fill you up for minimal calories. They're, like I say, I call them the anabolic Weenie neck tacos, because anabolic, they are good for building muscle with all this protein and all that fiber. It's going to help you keep you full. Also, if you want some added flavor with minimal calories as well, you can put some Valentina, put sriracha on it. You can put the good old tried and true Tabasco, never goes wrong. You can add almost as much of that as you want. It's not gonna make a difference. If you want, you can even try barbecue sauce on it. It's really good too. Actually, this guy, look for that dude. If you see that guy on the barbecue sauce label, buy this stuff. Sugar-free, very low in calories. You can put as much as you want and it tastes delicious. So there you have it, folks. Anabolic Weenie and egg tacos. I hope you guys like it. If you do, leave a comment, like this, subscribe. Hopefully I'll be putting up more of these. Depends on the reception this gets. Like I said, if you do like them, comment on it. If there was something you feel wasn't great, or just you didn't like it at all, tell me why you didn't like it. Anyways, I'll hopefully be trying to do more of these later. This is something I want to get into, the nutrition information that I've learned. Like I said, I'm not a personal trainer or a registered dietitian. I'm just a guy who's made a lot of mistakes with nutrition in the kitchen. So everything I've learned, I try to pay it forward. Until next time, I am Omar, and I will see you guys next time.